Bean Pantry is an Android app that allows users to manage ingredients while on the go. It also encourages users to reduce food waste and eat healthier. When you open the app, you'll enter the login screen. If a user does not have an account yet, they can create one in the sign-up page. When users complete the requirements, their information will be added to the Firebase. If a user has a registered account, they can log in. However, if they forgot their password, they can send a reset to their email. Once logged in, users will be on the home page. This includes a pantry overview based on unique items in each food group. Users can also navigate to their pantry. Currently, there are no items in our pantry, so let's go through the 2 flows that a user can do to add an item. First, we can navigate to the camera page where users can take a photo of the item. Gemini will then use image recognition to detect the item. Once detected, a dialog will show up. Users can adjust the name if it's incorrect or adjust the amount. Once saved, you can see that there is now an item in the pantry. The second way is to add items by navigating to the search page. This page is also helpful if users are looking for nutritional information or recipes for an item. This feature includes 2 databases, one for the item using Canada's nutrient data and another for recipes. These databases are local CSV files that are adapted to the correct format. Let's say I want to add carrots. I can find it using the search bar, and as you can see, it shows up as all carrot-related items. I only want to look at the vegetables, so I can filter for that food group. So let's say I want to add baby carrots. I can click on it and it'll bring me to the item page. The item page tells me the nutritional information and related recipes. If I want to add to the pantry, I can click Add to Pantry, which opens a dialog. This includes a slider to allow users to adjust the amount and the unit they wish to measure in. Then I hit Add to Pantry and it'll save. Let's say I want to cook a recipe. I can click on the recipe and it'll bring me to the recipe page. This tells you additional information about the recipe. Back to the search page, I can add a few more items to populate my pantry. Now when I go to my pantry, you can see all the items I added. I can search by name or filter by group. If I wanted to adjust the item, I can click the Edit button. Users can update the amount or unit. The new amount will be displayed once saved, and if users wish to delete an item, they can set the amount to 0. Back to the home page, users can also generate and save custom recipes. Using the floating button, Gemini will be fed the pantry items and then generate custom recipes. Each recipe has some general information, but if a user wants to see more, they can click on Details. Users also have the option to refresh if they don't like any of these recipes. However, I like the first one, so I'll save it. Now that I've saved it, when I exit this dialog, it will show up in my saved recipes. I can click on it for more details or click the trash button if I want to remove it. Finally, we have a settings page. Here users can change their username or password and it will be updated in Firebase. In this case, I will update my username and as you can see, it has been updated.